Hey guys, it's Ryan here to discuss 3 things that you can do to help increase the value of your home. Now, as we're talking about that, I think it's very mindful to remember, the time period that we've just come out of. Obviously, people are working from home now more. COVID really had people in the house a lot more. So, the things that were attractive pre-COVID, we're seeing other things become more attractive in the post-COVID world, right? So if you know that and you pay attention to that and you use that in your house, you can use that to your advantage to increase the value of your house. So let's talk about a few of those things and what they are. Number one, I would say increasing the square footage of your house. The number one thing in a 2020 study done by HomeLight that most people wanted was more square footage in their house. That's why people move. They move because they don't have enough space. So providing a little bit more office space or living space or anything like that that you do to increase the footage of your house can be a valuable way to increase the value of your house, a valuable way to increase the value. Anyway, yes, you understand what I mean. So it can be a great way to increase the value of your house. Number two, improve your curb appeal, right? So if there's things that you can do on the exterior of the house, right as someone comes up to your house and sees it for the first time, that could be landscaping, it could be putting a nice American flag outside, it could be doing paint outside, anything that you can do to make the house pop and look great when you pull up, absolutely going to make a big difference on your value. So adding more footage, making that curb appeal great, and then finally, the last thing, and we saw this with COVID big as well, making your outdoor space really cool, right? So functional outdoor spaces for the backyard, like a deck, an outdoor fireplace, a cooking area, a fire pit, these sorts of things where you sell the idea of being able to have space inside your home and then actually come outside your home and live out there too. Buyers have found that more and more attractive over the years, and it has absolutely shown to increase the value of your house. So, those three things, adding square footage, improving the curb appeal, and then finally working on that outdoor space. These 3 things we've really seen to show a great return on investment and increasing the value of your home. So if you'd like to know what your home is worth or you're thinking about selling it, give us a call. That's 254-213-5335. Once again, 254-213-5335. Or you can check us out on the web. That's ryansmithhomes.com. Once again, www.ryansmithhomes.com. And guys, we're here to do an excellent job for you. So if you want to get top dollar, you want to sell your house fast, and you want to be in a great position, that's what we're here to make happen for you. And we're always ready and willing to serve you any way we can. So thank you so much for your time. Thank you for listening with me. God bless, and we'll see you on the next one.